Hi viewers. Tech Library is your ultimate source of information technology and gadgets. Now, let's move to a detailed tutorial with instructions for the simple procedure on how to know your Instagram password and username. If you want to solve a problem or simply want to check and optimize your account safety, we are here for you. Let's get started. To begin with, boot up your Instagram on your mobile device or access the website at Instagram. Now, type in the words on the, followed by the full abbreviation of the com, as in ontheinstagram.com. After getting to the website, you must then log into your account. After you have logged in, go to the Profile section. To view the username, go to the Edit Profile tab on your mobile device or click on the profile picture and then on Profile on a computer. The username chosen by you will be displayed in large letters under the profile name chosen by you. Finally, you need to make some modification to make your password more secure. Navigate to your FL profile page and tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right of the page. To do this, choose from the menu the Settings option. Open the Settings application and scroll down the list of options until you see the Security option. Here you will find choices like password, two-factor authentication, and so on. Tap on Password. Instagram will ask the user to enter current password because it is always in a process of verifying the account. Its format requires you to type it in and click on Next or Submit. Once you enter the correct password, it acts as confirmation, and then you're able to view the password and change it if it is necessary. Do not forget to select a substantial and special password to increase productivity of the account. One additional preference is for it to allow two-factor authentication for extra protection. Such measures mean that in addition to a password, you have to prove your identity with a second factor, normally a code sent to your phone. And thus my list of the crucial qualities of a knowledgeable and wise person is complete. What you have done is, you have made sure the username and password of your Instagram is correct. The user must remember that account data should be updated from time to time for it to be secure. If this video was of any help to you, remember to like the post, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications for more tech help. You have been watching Tech Library, and we'll see you next time.